Now we are going to see addition in word problem. Okay, the word problem, the question is here, word problem, the question number 1. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer in 1822, that is 1822. Email was invented 149 years later by Ray Tomlinson. In which year was email invented? This is the question. I'll repeat once again. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer in 1822. Email was invented 149 years later by Ray Tomlinson. In which year was email invented? So this is the question. So you have to find out whether it is addition or not. First you have to decide, then you can go whether it is addition or subtraction. But this sum is addition. So how could you say it is addition? So I am going to explain. Let's start the sum. So first one, design the first word problem. I have written design the first mechanical computer in the year 1822. Okay, and email was invented in the year later 149. Okay, so design the first mechanical computer. The first mechanical computer designed in the year of 1822, the first point. And second point, after that email invented in the year later. Afterwards only the email was invented. A year later, that is 149 years later, the email was invented. But we don't know which year. So we have to find out. The question is, what you're going to find out from this problem? We have to find out in which year the email was invented by what? Ray Tomlinson. This is the question. So finally I have written email was invented in the year of. Okay, so this is the what? First mechanical computer, find out. That is design the first mechanical computer in the year of 1822. So after that email was invented in the year later. Afterwards, the later on email was invented. That after how many years? 149 years. So after that 149 years I have written. See, the first one is design the first mechanical computer in the year 1822 I have written. After that 149 years later email was invented. So I have written. But we couldn't find out which year the email was found out. That is the question. In which year the email was what? Email was invented by Ray Tomlinson. So that is what I have written. Email was invented in the year. So first first mechanical computer designed the year is 1822. That 149 years later email invented. So we have to find out the exact email invention year. So that is what? That is the addition. So later means that is what we have to add with the what? Exactly what? First mechanical computer designed. So this is later year, that is email 149 years later the email invented. This is the exactly what? First mechanical computer designed year. So later means it is an addition. So first we have to add with what? Design the first mechanical computer in the year 1822. So once you have to write the place value first. Ones, tens, 100,000. So first mechanical computer invented in the year 1822. So 2 in ones place, and again 2 in tens place, and 100 place 8, and 1000 place 1. So 1822 you have to write like this. After that 149 years later email invented. So that is what we understood. It is what? It is a addition. So after this first mechanical computer invented, after that 149 years later email invented. So that is an addition. So we have to find out from this sum in which year exactly email invented by Ray Tomlinson. So 149 years later, that is what you are going to add. So I have written email was invented in the year later 149, and finally email was invented in the exact year. Now we are going to what? Add and find out. So first what? You are adding the ones place, then you are adding the tens place, then you are going to add the 100 place, then finally you add the 1000 place. So what is? It's a normal addition. So it's a normal addition, simple addition. It is a what? Downward direction I am adding. First number and second number. So what is this? 2 plus 9. Ones place I am going to add 2. First number is 2 and second number is 9. So 2 plus 9 I am going to add 2 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 2, you know that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 in the 1 year, ones place I have to write 1. The remaining, that is 11. that is ones and tens. So ones place number I have written 1 is here. The remaining, what is it? The remaining is carry over is go to the tens place. I put it on the top. And 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, after 3, 4, after 3, you have to add 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 3 in the mind and 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 I have written here. So no carry over. So 8 plus 1, what? 9. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. So again, what is this? 1000 place, there is no number. Just bring down the number here. The answer is 1971. That is, the answer is exactly. So email was invented in the year of, that is what? 1971. That is 1971. 1971 email was invented. Email was invented by Ray Tomlinson. So in the year of 1971. In the year of 1971, again I'll repeat, in the year of 1971, email was invented by what? Ray Tomlinson. This is the answer we find out. This is the exact answer for the question.